So I started my channel last year in May and I created my first 27 videos by just using my cell phone. Until now, those videos are still some of the most viewed videos here in my channel, reaching hundreds of thousands of views. But I don't think you guys even noticed that I just used my phone for those. So I was using my phone until I got to about 10,000 subscribers. Then I decided, you know what, I have an old DSLR, I'll use that, which is what I'm currently filming on now. You guys can see, this is you. But now I'm currently at about 230,000 subscribers, which is insane. And I'm once again making a major upgrade to my filming setup. Right, so I'm just gonna show you guys quickly what I'm upgrading to. I'm upgrading to the Sony a6400. So the total cost of this box is about 65,000. Yo, what's up friends? Welcome back to this video. If you're new here, what's up? My name's Nicole and I make videos on personal finance, investing, self-development, and other fun and interesting stuff. So instead of me just unboxing expensive equipment, I decided to make this video where I talk about my YouTube setups to create my videos, and hopefully that could also help you guys in creating your own videos. Okay, back to basics. Starting out zero. May 2020, I wanted to start a YouTube channel. I didn't really know what I needed. I didn't want to buy anything expensive because I wasn't even sure if I was gonna continue making videos. So I just started with my phone. This is my cell phone. So my cell phone's a Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. It's a flagship phone, but honestly, any phone nowadays works pretty well. So at the time, I didn't really have a tripod, but I needed to set my phone somewhere. I didn't really want to buy a tripod. I didn't want to delay. As soon as possible, action ka agad. So I was looking around the house, what could I use as a tripod? Then I saw it. Miniso trash can. I just saw na you can open it. So kumuha ko ng parang BUDOL clips. Ito, sa creative na ulo ko, just clip the BUDOL clips here. Tripod na. So, ito siya. No. This is essentially my setup. If you remember my first ever video, ganito lang. This is how I was talking. The goal was just to create videos consistently and actually take action on what you want to do. At the start, no one's even gonna watch you, so it doesn't even matter as much. Just get started. This is pretty good. At the start, whenever I was filming, I was just shooting like this. Whatever. Walang script, walang flow. Medyo magulo. Kaya if you notice my earlier videos, ang gulo-gulo ng flow. Like, there's so many cuts. But people were starting to point out my audio quality. This. Boya M1. So I'm currently editing and I realize how pulubi my entire setup looks. But, you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. But if you're actually serious about experimenting and starting a YouTube channel or doing some other similar creative project, there's a couple of things that you still need to learn how to do. And actually, all of these things you can start learning from this video sponsor, Skillshare. So Skillshare is an online learning community that offers thousands of interesting classes on topics like graphic design, photography, illustration, video production, and even freelancing. Even though I've been on YouTube for about a year now, there's still so much things I need to learn about making videos, which is why some of the classes I'm currently watching on Skillshare is this YouTube Masterclass by MKBHD and this Final Cut Pro editing class by Ali Abdal. Even if you're not interested in video production, there's still a lot of classes to choose from, which I'm sure you guys will find interesting. There's this self-care class by Jonathan, you know, from the Fab Five, which I actually need, and a special class for all the certified plantitos and plantitas out there. And even better, Skillshare was kind enough to hook me up and give you guys a free trial. The first 1,000 people to click the link in the description will get a free 1-month trial of premium membership. So yes, very nice. Thanks again to Skillshare for sponsoring this video. So, ito lang ang setup nito. Right, so now I had a camera and then I had the sound. I knew that I wanted to fix the lighting next, but it looks a bit more professional naman. If I sit next to the window kasi, especially at this angle, it tends to be bright on this side, tapos it creates shadows on this side of my face. Kumuha ko ng dalawang illustration board. White surfaces, bounce light. So I used this board, if you can see the difference. No? The board is here. Remove the board. Board. No board. Ayo. No board. With board. Dito ko nilalagay. So I could shine it here. Yeah. So it's a bit more, no? Kasi if it's directly on my face, parang it's so scary, oh. Like, oh. The concept is that a more evenly lit face is a very flattering face. So if there's light coming from here, gamitin mo na lang yung natural light, use the board to bounce some of that light back to your face. And if that's not enough, shine another light source onto it para you can reflect more light. Further improvements, I decided to buy a ring light. Whew, it's so tiring moving back and forth. Yan. No light at all. I'll turn on the ring light. Then I'll turn on my fill light. And this light behind me. So it kind of looks like it's adjustable. Yeah, this one looks more similar to my current videos now. So at the start, ginamit ko lang yung default camera app sa phone. But I eventually discovered another secret app. So the app is called Filmic Pro. It's paid. And essentially, it gives you more control over your camera settings. Kasi when you're using the default camera app, you can't really adjust the ISO, the shutter speed, things that you want to tweak when you're filming. Filmic Pro, because it allows you to do that. You can adjust the ISO, you can adjust the shutter speed, adjust the aperture, white balance, those kinds of things, so that you can fine-tune the way you shoot your videos. It's the same settings when you're using an actual camera. So when it comes to making good videos or making good-looking videos, the things that are important is having good lighting. The quality of your camera is like secondary. If you have a phone, you can already do so many things with it. So as long as you have good lighting. There's like this thing called 3-point lighting. To have 3-point lighting, there's only 3 kinds of lights that you need. I only have 2 of the 3-point lighting. Essentially, you need a key light. Key light just means it's your brightest light. It's your main source of light. In my case, it's my window. But on gloomy days like this, I need the help of a ring light. I'll put links in the description below, but I can essentially change the temperature of this. So there's this really hot one, there's a warm one, and there's this white one. And you can change the brightness, it's so bright, or change it. Yes, I love it. LED, ta-da, it's bright. I like it because on, off, change the brightness. So if it's like, turn off, as bright as it is, and dito ko lang piniflip the back of my table so that it's shining here, so that it creates kind of a halo on myself. Once I grew out of this phone setup, I had the DSLR naman. The only thing that was stopping me from using it is its lack of a flip-out screen. I couldn't see myself. I wouldn't know if the video already stopped recording. I wouldn't know if the audio levels were okay. I wouldn't know if I was in frame, if I was in focus, things like that. My level 2 setup isn't that much different. Ganito pa rin yung lighting setup ko. The only thing that was different was the camera. Hello. So, ito na. But anyway, ganito siya. Oh no, I'm not in focus. So, the camera I'm using for your information is a Nikon D3300. So this camera I got when I was in high school because I was part of the photo staff of the newspaper club in my school. I'm just using the kit lens. So it's the 18 to 55mm kit lens. 23,000 pesos yata. I can't remember na. This is the camera that I'm using. And then, ito yung binili ko. It's called an external monitor. Recently, I've been alternating between these two setups. Essentially, ito, yung zoomed in. But the other one that I've been using a bit more, zoom this out, props on my table. Para at least may pa-background kind of thing. But to everything that I've mentioned, I put the links in the description below in case you guys want to buy this, want to buy that, want to buy that. Reset this setup. Hello. Move you closer. Sharon, this is it. And then yun, as simple as that. We're back to the original setup I've been using a lot more. Let me just like put everything on the table now. Oh my gosh. Ah, yes, the holy grail. Sorry, hindi ako tech YouTuber, so I don't know how to. So anyway, this is everything I've gotten. Ito na yung actual main camera, the Sony a6400. So this is the camera I'm gonna be upgrading to from my Nikon D3300. Quick unboxing, no? I got it from Santa Delivery sa Lazada, yung nag-66 sale. I got mine for about 47,657. The money I used to buy this is the money I made from YouTube. So this is like a big milestone for me. Ito yung camera. Look at how small it is. Camera, phone. My phone's bigger than the camera. You're beautiful. Area setting Abu Dhabi. No, it's almost 4, so I'm not sure. I'm lost. How do you focus? How do I shoot a video? I don't know how to work this camera. The lens is not attached correctly. Nado ko this. May screen na siya. I will be able to see myself. Essentially, ito yung itsura niya ngayon. Oh my gosh. Did I break it? Of course not. I don't know why I was so stupid a while ago, but now Hindi pala maayos nakakonect yung lens ko. That's the autofocus. Okay? Me? Ayun! And then back on me. Wow, vlogger na siya. Yung hot shoe mount niya is right here. If you see this, diba, ito yung microphone. So when I attach this here, syempre, I have the microphone here, diba? It gets in the way of the screen. You know, it's in the way of the screen. So, kumuha ko na to. Cold shoe relocator, yung tawag sa kanya. Ito siya. Dito ko na lang siya i-attach. Kunwari, sa side. When I connect it. That makes sense. Ganyan na lang siya. Then, to replace this lav mic, I got this Rode Wireless Go. Nabudol ako ni Thea. You know Thea? Thea C. Bautista. Yes, so she was telling me na ito yung camera, ito yung microphone niya. And it's super worth it. Let's see kung worth it because this was so expensive. This cost me... The regular price of this is $12,490. I got it on 6.6 for $10,334. It's going to be a lot easier. Am I doing something wrong? Why can't I open it? Ah! Everything fly away. My freaking 10,000 just flew away. So it comes with this dead cat. I don't know how to operate this girl. But ito siya. There's a transmitter and then the actual microphone that I can just use this. This is the microphone in itself. Oh, nice. May pouch pa siya. So I can put ang aking 10,000 pesos is safely stored away. Since I'm recording, sabi raw kasi the battery of this doesn't last that long. So I got this thing. It's called the dummy battery. I can plug this directly sa socket para essentially forever ang battery ng camera ko. Yeah, it's still amazing to me that I was able to buy this with money I made from YouTube. I'm so grateful that you guys supported me over this past year, no? I'm just really excited for what other videos I can create. Better videos to come, so just look out for that. I'm happy that I was able to share it with you guys. You guys can follow me on Instagram. I post stories there almost every day. Like the Facebook page, join the Discord server. You guys can even get your Bread Fam merch. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.